Align soldier courses with window heads or lintels to both control load transfer and deliver consistent visual lines across the facade. A soldier course is a row of vertically laid bricks that creates a continuous band at window heads and other horizontal lines. And the thumb rule is to align these courses with structural elements so the course lines carry load and read clearly across elevations. Start by establishing a datum at each floor level and transfer that datum to all elevations using a laser level or stretched mason line so soldier courses meet window heads and lintel centers exactly. When setting bond, run a continuous bed of mortar and check every third brick with a spirit level and a square to prevent cumulative rotation that breaks the visual line. Where the soldier course crosses a cavity wall, use through wall ties at specified spacing to ensure the soldier course ties the inner and outer withes and transmits any shear loads. Position ties at the mortar bed and keep them centered in the joint. Tool mortar joints the same way across the course, using a concave or flush tooling profile and consistent joint thickness to avoid shadowing differences that make alignment appear irregular. Finally, plan for thermal movement by including movement joints where long, uninterrupted soldier runs would otherwise cause cracking, and locate those joints at logical breaks like changes in material or at recessed sections. The three common mistakes are running the soldier course without a continuous datum line, so the course drifts and looks uneven, failing to tie the outer width to the backup, which creates separation under wind or seismic load, and varying mortar tooling or joint width, which makes an otherwise straight course appear misaligned. If the datum is missing, restart the layout and re-establish reference lines at all facades before laying more than a few bricks. If ties are omitted, install through wall ties at the correct spacing immediately and repair the affected area to resecure the withes. If jointing is inconsistent, stop masonry work until one person is designated to tool every affected joint and maintain a mock-up so masons can match the profile and thickness. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and makes it easy for owners to search projects and profiles related to soldier course detailing and other masonry work. We also host a discussion community where contractors and homeowners exchange tips, ask project-specific questions, and share photos so everyone can make better alignment and detailing choices.